Hey, I'm my awesome girlfriends. So in this video, I created this high bun curly type of hairstyle. So please do stay in tune to see how I actually achieve this look. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe because you don't want to miss out on weekly hair content that is going to be popping on this channel. And yeah, become part of the awesome team, awesome girlfriends, rocking hairstyles, rocking your crown. Don't forget, you are your own unique beauty, your own kind of unique beauty. Yeah. So please do enjoy and let us get right into it. So a bonus for me regarding this hairstyle is that I didn't have to use gel all over my hair. I didn't have to lay down my hair. And what I like, the main look that I was going for was
something not too neat but not too untidy, but just there. I hope you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so this is my final look, and yeah guys, the girl is happy as always. Until the next one, bye. Thanks for watching.